Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kaetech Digital. Now in this video, we're going to create this amazing website over here using AI. Okay, so as you can see over here, this website was completely created using AI. Okay, now I didn't write any line of coding. I didn't do anything. All what I did was to just give some few information to the AI, and the AI made this amazing website for me. Okay, so this website have homepage, it has the about page, it has the services page. Okay, all pages are functioning well. It's also have the services page over here, as you can see, services page. Okay, and then this also have a blog page over here. Okay, I also have a blog page over here, and then we also have the contact as page over here, or the contact page over here. So we're going to create this amazing website using AI. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. So if you are ready and you want to create a website using AI without writing any single line of coding, then please stick to this video and let's jump into it. All right guys, so to be able to create this amazing website that I showed you, all what you need to do is to go to this particular website over here, which is called ZipWp.com. okay, so go to ZipWp.com, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create website using this particular platform. Okay, so you don't need any hosting, you don't need anything. All what you need to do is sign up for this particular website over here. Click on sign up for free, and it's free. It's also free. You're gonna do everything for free. Just sign up for this website over here. Sign up for it for free, and then when you sign up, then you can go ahead and then create this website that I showed you. Okay, so just click on sign up for free. Sign up with your email or your Google account, and then we're going to create this website for free. Now I already have an account over here, so I'm not going to go ahead and then sign up. I'm just going to log in into it. So I'm going to log in into it, and then I'll see you in it when you also sign up. Okay, so that is simple. So just sign up. I'm going to log in, and then we go ahead straight away create the website step by step. All right guys, so when you create the account and you log into your account, this is what you're gonna have. Okay, so with the free version, it gives you it gives you two staging sites, and then you also have two AI generation websites. Okay, so you can have only two staging sites and two AI generation websites. So as you can see, I have done 00 out of it, and then also you can see your staging sites over here, see all your projects, and then blueprints. Blueprints are basically what you are looking on to create other website. Okay, and then if you want to start from blank, also you can just click over here to create your own blank website. If you don't want to use any AI, you just want to create your own website without having the hosting and all those things, you can just create it over here. And then also we have the build site with AI also over here. If you want to build your site with AI, you just use this particular one. And then also we have custom site with AI. Okay, so this feature is available in the business plan, so if you haven't upgraded it, you cannot be able to use this one. But of course, I can be able to start this one or build a site with AI, which we're going to use this one. And like I told you before, this is the the free plan that we have. Now if you click on see more, it's going to project for you. As you can see, you can keep track of your usage over here. So this is the staging site, this is the AI generated site, this is a blueprint, and then also this is disk space utilization. You're gonna get 1 gig for the free version, and then team members also 1, and then AI assistant credit, they'll give you 1,000 AI assistant credit. So as you can see, this is basically it. If you want to upgrade, you can click on manage plan to upgrade it. Then the same way you click over here, you're gonna see it. When you click over this side also, you're gonna see the same thing also over here. Okay, so basically that is it. So I thought it's very simple. It is not anything anything complicated to be able to create a website with AI. All what you can do is just click on create new over here, and then you can just go ahead and say what blank website or complete website. Okay, or you can also come over here, and instead of using this one, you can just come over here and say build site with AI, okay, over here. Okay, so when I click on this one, I'm going to have some few questions to answer, and it's very straightforward questions. So name of website. So what is the name of your website that you're going to create? So let's say I'm going to create a law firm website. So I'll say maybe let me say Alpha Law Firm. Okay, and then what is it for? So what is this for? What is it for? So is it an agency, a restaurant, entrepreneur, event, non-profit, local, gym, SaaS, or dentist? So you can you can just type in whatever that you want to type in, and then it's gonna search for you. Okay, basically. So it is lawyer. Okay, so if it is for lawyer, you can see it over here. So is it a corporate lawyer, bankruptcy lawyer, all those kind of things that you want to see. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna say law firm. Okay, so it's a law firm. Oh, sorry. So it's a law firm. Okay, so lawyer firm. Oh, let me just come over here and say it's a law firm. Okay, so I'm gonna just choose this one over here, and then that the language also, you can choose any language that you want to use. I'm going to use the English, which is the default one, and I'm going to go to next. All right, so you can describe Alpha Law Firm in some few seconds, and you are ready to go. So just describe it, and then you can also using the AI over here. So describe it in some few seconds, and then we can click on next. Okay, so the characters is 1,000. So describe your website in some few seconds over here. So all what you have to do is to enter your details over here. Okay, so enter into details, your law firm, or what kind of law firm are you creating, or what kind of website you are creating. So I'm just going to enter some few details over here. So as you can see, Alpha Law Firm is a law agency that are dedicated to providing exceptional legal services with a focus on personalizing blah 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 blah. So I just created something over here. Now of course you can also go ahead and improve it using AI over here. You can do so if you want to do it. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. I think this one is okay for me. I will just click on next over here. All right, so they're going to ask you of your email address and then your phone number. That is if you want to your address and other stuff. So let's say I'm just going to say info at alpha law.com. Okay, and then phone number, I'm just going to write anything over there. So +233 549988 658. Okay, and then the address also, you can just put in any address that you want to put in. So I'm just going to put in this one over here, and I'll say Accra, Ghana. I'll say Accra, Ghana over here. All right, so now you can also go ahead and add your social medias. If you want to add, you can click on next over there. So now they're going to tell you to select some images. Okay, or you can even upload your own images over here if you want to. Okay, so you can select your images that you want to use for the website. Okay, so I'm going to go through and select some few images over here. So I'm going to select this particular one. I'm going to select this one also. I'm going to go ahead and maybe choose this one. Choose images that you feel it's okay for your law firm website. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna choose this one. Let's see, and I'll choose this one also. No, let me choose this particular one, and then this one. Okay, so I think it's okay. 7 images is okay. I'm gonna go to next. All right, so the design is what is generating for you. So we're gonna wait, and then we choose our design that we want, okay, for the website. So let's hold on. The AI is doing its own thing. So we're going to hold on for some time for the AI to do its own thing for us. And after that, we choose our design that we want. All right, guys, so our designs are ready, and we can be able to go ahead and select the design that we really want. So as you can see, these are all the designs already generated for us. You can go through and see. Now of course, some of the designs are premium designs. Okay, some of the designs are premium designs, so you can just go through the designs and see the one that you feel it's okay for you or your brand. choose the best colors and all those kind of stuff, and then you can be able to go ahead and then just select one of them and use it for your website. So I think what I'm going to use is the first design over here. I think I like this particular one over here, so I'm going to use either this one or this one. Okay, so I'm going to select which one I should use. Okay, so let me just use this one, which is quite okay. So I'm going to select this one. I'll select this one. As you can see, I can be able to select the colors that I want to use. I can select even the logo. If I have my logo, I can choose my logo and then fix it in over here. I can be able to choose colors and font and then click on continue. Okay, so if I want it to be maybe this one, I can select it, or maybe this one. It can be able to run through all the website the way I want it. Okay, so basically let me use this particular one, which is quite okay for me. So I like this one. It's like a dark theme, something like that, which is quite okay. Yeah, very simple. Okay, so now I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on continue over here, and then I'll select some features if I want. So do you want to display blog? Do you want a page builder? All these things are included already, but you can be able to select other features also. So like for instance, if you want to select maybe an e-commerce website or other integrations, and then even a video player or live chat, you can go ahead and connect all of them to it. But I'm going to just skip and start building. Okay, so let me go back, and then I'll select these things. I thought it was selected for me already. Okay, so they said what this feature is already included. Okay, so okay, so they are all included already. This one is not included. So I'm just going to skip and then start building. So you're going to showcase your this one is going to be like a brief description for your website, with your website name, your description for the website, and then also your contact info over here. And if it's okay, you just click on start building, and it's going to build the website for you in some few seconds. Okay, so just hold on and let the AI do its own thing. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, it says woohoo, your website is ready, and we can go ahead and then see our website or visit the dashboard. Now these are your credentials for the website, and as you can see, you have a website which you can use within 24 hours. Okay, so if you want if you want to send a link to somebody, you can send this particular link over here to somebody, and then the person can be able to view your website. So we're going to view our website and see how it looks like. Okay, so to proceed, you need to click on OK. Okay, just type in OK and then click on submit. All right, so as you can see over here, this is the website that we created, and we can be able to edit this website, add some few things that we want to it. But of course, if you want a website in a quick manner, then you have a website which you can showcase to your partners, or you can showcase to your your clients, like a template that you want to show it to them, so that you can build on it. You can really go ahead and build on this particular template. Okay, so you have the home page. You can check the about page also. As you can see, this is this is the about page with all the the content that you really need. Okay, and then also offerings or services. Okay, so these are the things that you guys offer, or the services that you guys would offer. So as you can see, our comprehensive legal services include criminal, whatever it is, all the services that are listed. Remember, it's over here. Okay, so you can add more to it if you want to. Okay, and then also if there is a blog page also to it, so you can check out the blog page, which is also really nice blog page. Okay, so as you can see, very nice blog page over here. Everything is what nice. And then we have the contact also over here, and as you can see, this is what a contact, really nice contact page over here. Very nice over here. Okay, so guys, you can build on this particular one without even starting from scratch. Okay, and then when you want to get started, it will still direct you to the contact page over here. So basically, this is the website that we created using AI, and it's one of the best so far. Okay, so ZipWp is one of the best so far. Now let's go ahead and look at the back end of this AI website. So let's visit there. Now, of course, make sure that you copy these credentials. Okay, copy them and keep them safe. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy them over here, and then just look for my notepad over here and then put them in it. Okay, I'm gonna put them in it. So as you can see, I've placed them in it over here, because you have your username, you have your password also over there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and visit the dashboard. All right, so guys, this is the dashboard of my website. Now, as you can see, it is WordPress. Okay, it is no other CMS but WordPress. Okay, and that is one of the amazing things about ZipWp. You can be able to edit it with your own kind of WordPress. You can add different plugins to it. You can add so many things that you want. You can see all your pages over here. Okay, so you remember when you go to this particular site, all the pages that you see over here, you can see those pages also over here. So as you can see, these are the pages over here. Okay, so with a blog page, you can even go ahead and edit your your about page, edit your front page or your home page. Okay, so if I click over here, I can go ahead and edit the home page. Now remember that they use the Gutenberg blog editor to be able to create this amazing website for us. So as you can see, this is it. So you can be able to edit the home page the way you want it. So if I want to change this one and say, this one says your trusted legal partner. If I want to change it, I can go ahead and change it. So let's say the best law firm in Ghana. So I'm just going to say maybe the best law firm in Ghana. So I'm just going to change this one and say the best law firm in Ghana. Okay, and I can click on save over here to save the changes. All right, so if I go to the front end and I refresh it, I'm supposed to see this one change, as in the best law firm in Ghana. Let me go back and see why I didn't see it. Let me just click on save. Okay, so let me just go back over here and refresh it again. Okay, so as you can see over here, the best law firm in Ghana. Okay, so everything is smoothly done for you without doing anything. Okay, so all what you need to do is just if you want to change the image, you can just go ahead and change it. They use the Gutenberg blog, and then also the theme that they use. I'm going to go ahead and find out the theme that they use, but I'm sure they use either the Cadence theme, okay, to be able to create this. So I'm going to remove it from full screen, and then I'm going to go ahead and check the appearance and see the theme that they use, and I'm sure it's going to be the Cadence theme. Okay, so it is the Astra theme. Okay, so the Astra theme was used to build this particular website, okay, which is also one of the best themes around the world. Okay, so that is basically it. And you see we have the ZipWp integration over here. Okay, so basically now if you want to export this particular website, now of course you can install plugins where you can be able to bundle this website and export it, because as you know, if you go back to our theme ZipWp over here, so let's go back over here to our website over here, and then if you go back to our dashboard, okay, so we have created one site. Right now, this one site will expire. It will expire within 24 hours. Okay, so within 24 hours, if we don't, bundle it out or showcase it to whoever we want to showcase it, it's going to expire. Okay, and that is why it is important for you to make sure that you go and then install a plugin where you can be able to migrate this website out within, and then put it on your hosting within some few hours over here. So if you go, let's go and look at the plugins that they installed for us. Okay, so the only plugin over here is the Spectra plugin over here. Okay, so that is the only plugin used, and this makes this website really fast. Okay, because there are not much plugins over here. So what we can do is we can add new plugin into this particular plugin website, and then we can go ahead and add maybe all-in-one migration tool or something like that. All-in-one migration. So let me just say all-in-one migration, and then yeah, we can use this one, all-in-one WP migration and backup. Okay, just go ahead and then install this all-in-one WP, install it, activate it, and then you can be able to go ahead with this one, and then you can click on export. And as you can see, you can export your website. Okay, so you can export site. Okay, as you can see over here, export site. You can check the advanced sessions over here, and if you want to now click on export to. Okay, click on export to, and then we have different ones over here, but we want to just export the file. So click on the file, it will prepare the file for us, and then we'll be able to export it so quickly. All right, so the size is 72 megabytes. We can click on this one to download it. Now, of course, when we finish downloading, we have to import it on our website when we are done, or you can send this file to anybody. So as you can see, it is done over here. Now I can close this one. So now, even if this website expires within 24 hours, I still have the whole file. I can be able to import it on my website. Okay, so that is what basically it. Now now that we know how to create this particular website, as you can see, these are all our projects. So let's go to project over here. Okay, so this feature is in the pro version. Okay, so let's go to staging site, and as you can see, we have one website over here, and the time to expire is 23:48 over here. Okay, and then was created by Kaetech over here. So you can add it to your project, which is in the pro version over here, and that is it. So we only have two that we can create, and we've created one, and that is it over here. And then we have used one of our AI generations. Okay, so we are only left with one also over here. So if you check our usage over here, we're going to see that all these ones are being used. So we've used 0.14 gigabytes out of 1 gig. We've used 1.1 out of our AI generation, which is 2, and then we've also used 1 out of the 2 staging sites also over here. Now, if you want more of this particular platform, which is the ZipWp, then you have to upgrade. Okay, you have to upgrade to the pro version. Okay, so to be able to upgrade, of course, you're using the free version. Now let's go to usage over here, and then if you want to upgrade, you click on this particular one. It will take you to the pricing level, or the pricing side of the ZipWp. Okay, so this is the pricing. Okay, now remember, we are using this particular plan over here. This is what we are using. Okay, and we have access to all these things that we are having. But if you want to go ahead and use the pro version, of course the pro is the best, because you're gonna pay $199 per year. But if you want it one time, you're gonna pay this one per use. Okay, for that you're gonna just have 5 AI site generations to total 5 AI site generation, and then you also have 10,000 AI credit, and then you also have access to the premium designs. Okay, now of course with this one you have 5 AI sites per day. Okay, so this is per day. Remember, this one is in total. So if you pay this one, you're gonna have what, this particular one. But if you pay this one every day, you can, for the whole year, every day you can generate 5 sites. Okay, which is what, which is very good. Okay, so you're gonna pay this one, and then you have access to the designs, premium designs, and then also professional tools, instant WordPress test sites, staging site, 10 gigabyte of space, 5 blueprint sites. Now let's look at how this one have. Now I've already, I already have this plan over here, so I'm going to log into that particular plan, and then you see how it works. Okay, so I have another account over here, which I already have this pro plan in it. I'm going to just log into it, and then you see how this one also works. All right, guys, so this is my pro plan. Okay, so as you can see, the active plan is what, pro over here, and the name is Kobe Evans over here. Now this is my pro plan. Let me just refresh it so that you guys see how it looks like. All right, so this is the pro plan, and as you can see, site is what, 0 out of 10. Okay, so the staging site, I'm going to have what, 10 staging sites, and then with this one also I have 5 AI generations over here. Now let me just click on see more and look at how every plan is going to look like. Okay, so as you can see, I only have 1 team member, and then the disk space is what, 10 gigabyte, 5 blueprint, 5 AI generations, and then also stagings, we have what, 10 staging sites. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and then show you around how this one is done. So let's try and then create a website and see how it looks like. Okay, so of course we're gonna click on build site with AI, and then we're just gonna enter anything over here. So let's say I want to enter digital marketing, and then over here I will say maybe an agency. Okay, so an agency, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on next. This time around I'm just going to enter anything in it so that you guys will watch. So this is what a digital marketing agency website. All right, guys, so this is a digital marketing and web design agency focusing on building businesses online for small and medium businesses around the world. So that is it. I'm going to just click on next over here, and they said add more business details. Okay, so I'm going to use AI to improve it. Okay, so use this. I'm going to use this. All right, so I'm going to go to next over here. Okay, so you can enter your details over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter this particular details. I'm going to remove address from it. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click on next. All right, so I'm going to select images just like we did the last time. Okay, just same thing. So select images that you want. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose this, choose this, choose this. Just going to select some few images. Okay, so not really that much. I'm going to choose this one also. I'm going to choose this, choose this, choose this, choose this one, choose this one, and then what again? I'm going to choose this one also. So it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and click on next. I've chosen 14 images, which is quite okay. All right, guys, so our website is has now been generated. The design has now been generated, and we can choose a design that we want. So looking through, what I'm going to choose is this particular design over here. This design over here, which is a premium design. So I'm going to just choose this one. Okay, I'm going to select this one, and then try and then see how it looks like. All right, guys, so after choosing the design, we have to customize the design, setting our logo, setting our font, setting our colors, anything that we want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this particular color over here. This one is like this. Okay, let me just choose this dark theme color over here. Let me choose this dark theme color and see how this one also looks like. So this one is also going to be like this. Okay, so I think this one is quite okay for me, so I'm going to just remain with this particular one, or you can even choose a different color. Okay, so let's say I want to choose this particular color. All right, so this is also what another dark theme or dark color over here. If you want it, you can also choose this one. Now remember that this particular design is a premium design, and we have access to it because we are using the pro version plan of this particular ZipWp. So I'm still gonna go back to this this color, which is quite okay for me, and I'm going to click on continue over here. All right, so you can go ahead and then click on start building, and then we're going to click on start building the website. Okay, so we're going to hold on and wait for the website to build, and then we are good to we're going to hold on and then wait for the website to build, and then we are good to go. So let's hold on for the website to start building, doing everything, connecting everything, writing everything, and then we are good to go. So just like we did for the previous one, it's still the same thing, just that with this you have access to premium features and premium things. Okay, so that is what basically it. So let's hold on and see how all the finishing touches will come to life, and we are good to go. All right, guys, so our website is done, everything is okay. So now woohoo, your website is ready. We are ready to go. So let's take a look at how the website looks like. We're going to go ahead and click on this one, and like I told you, all what you need to do is also to save a copy of your credentials over here. So I'm going to just save a copy of this credentials, so this one, and then let's try and then see how the website looks like. So guys, as you can see, this is our web design agency over here, which is really amazing. Okay, in some few minutes and seconds we are able to create this beautiful website without writing any single line of coding. Okay, and that is the amazing thing. So you have your about, you have your about, you have your services. Okay, this is our about page over here, looking beautifully done. Okay, everything is perfectly done, as you can see. Wow. So frequently asked questions are all there for us, and this is amazing. Okay guys, this is amazing. So if you're able to create 5 websites every single day, and you are a freelancer, and you choose this plan, you just come over here, create the website, and then send it to them. If they're okay, you bundle it for them like we did previously, and then you upload it on their server or their domain for them, and then you're good to go. So this is our blog, and this is contact. Okay, so as you can see, everything is perfectly and neatly designed. Okay, just for you, and just for your website. The way the description you put in is what the AI is going to use to generate the content and everything for you. Okay, so everything is perfectly done. So guys, this is how you can be able to create a website using ZipWp and its pro version. Okay, so let's visit the dashboard. And if you visit the dashboard, you're going to see how the back end of the WordPress dashboard looks like. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and visit the dashboard. So as you can see, this is it. Let's look at the plugins that they use also for it. It's the same spectrum over here, no other additional plugin. Okay, that is basically it. But let's go back over here to our ZipWp, and then let's close this one. I'm going to close this one. Now we're going to refresh Zip over here, and as you can see, we have 1 out of 10 sites created. Okay, so we have 1 out of 10 sites created. Okay, and we have website generation. We also have 5 also created. Now let's look at our staging site over here, and let's look at the expiring date. Okay, so as you can see, it says permanent. Okay, so it's not going to expire. You don't need to worry about it. So if you're a freelancer and you're using this one, you don't need to worry about it. Okay, this one won't expire, unlike the other one which was saying that 24 hours. This one is permanent. Okay, so you can add this one to your project. It was created by Kobe Evans and other stuff. Okay, so basically this one doesn't expire. All what you need to do is to make sure that you create a well-designed website with the AI, edit it, using WordPress, and add some other plugins and functionalities to it using the WordPress over here, and then you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. So this is how you can be able to create an amazing website using AI. Okay, so you can go ahead and just upgrade your your ZipWp to the next level. Just upgrade it, and then you will have amazing website done by AI for you. You will experience all the good things in this particular one. So you see, this is what this is my pro monthly that I did, which will expire in 13th November over here. So I'm good to go for now. I'll be able to use this particular one for November. Okay, so basically that is it. So thank you for watching this video. All right, so you can go ahead and then upgrade your version to the newest version or the pro version that you want for a year, and then you can get amazing website done for yourself. So guys, this is how you can be able to create an amazing website using AI for yourself or for your client. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. My name is Kobe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and let's grow together. Bye bye.